guys, it's Chastity from the Four Gymnastic Dancers, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a back bend. So I just learned this, so please let me comments back. So what you should probably do is stretch, so you don't hurt yourself. So do a little stretch, stretch out your back, and hold it for like 30 seconds. Yeah. Then you get up, and you just stretch out your back. And before you do a back bend, you should probably know how to do a back bend on the wall. So if you don't know how to do a back bend, just practice that. So just like when you look at TV. And go to the wall. And try to go as far as you can down and try to go further each time. So now I'm going to try to go all the way down. Okay. Then you try it on the ground. But before you do a real back bend, you should also stretch out your wrists. I forgot to tell you that. So just stretch out your wrists too. And then turn them the opposite way. And then, yeah. So I stretch out my back and my wrist. That's pretty much what you have to do. Then you pretend you're looking at a TV. Olivia made this up. We always take her advice usually. For the back bend. And you just look at it and go all the way down. And yeah, so. And try to get your arms like straighter and like closer to you. And then you try to get up. So you just rock. And you get up. I'm still practicing that, so yeah. Remember to stretch and just practice against the wall. And then you try on the ground. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.